Here's Totsy App Kids Food Scanner. So Totsy will look deeper so your kids eat safer. Scan it once, know everything, personalized for your child. We break it down, make better choices. Parents say it best, raise a healthier child. Discover Totsy, scan your child's food to check nutrition, allergens, and safety instantly. So here it is, and then you can just double click to install it. And then this is basically similar app to Yuka. Yuka, I think, was one of the first apps where you can just literally scan food and have data-driven results to see if this food is healthy. You can just scan barcodes, not just the plate, but like items in the supermarket and know whether to buy it or not. So this is kind of similar app. You can of course use Yuka, but this app seems just to claim that this is specifically for kids. Like maybe they just have better data just for kids, but you can also try just Yuka app. So I think Yuka is one of the biggest. I'm talking about this one. So as you can see, it's literally in the top charts, number 3 in the charts. So this is quite a great app, but for all products. But Totsy app is just for kids. So for example, and then just you need to still to create an account. So I'll just show just for you how you can just proceed in here. And then as you can see, still you need to 3 days free, then $48 annually. Let's check. And then still you can have some limited free version where you just have scan product, you just have the barcode, and then you can just see the details. And then you can see top products, you can see trending products. For example, you can just tap on the product. And that's kind of the idea. Oops, it's a bit glitchy app for some reason. So it's not yet that's well rated. So you can just open it up and then let's check profile, delete an account. You can of course subscribe and then just start scanning. And they seems they don't have any like referral codes or promo codes. Just that's what you have, and then you just have the product and you will see the score from 0 to 100. So that's what it is.